Order up, order up.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
Oh, table 5 wanted me to say. Beep, 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 beep. Don't do it, Clive. Put me in your mouth and I'll break your pinkies. But I need to brush my teeth. I have to go to work soon.
Forget him, Clive. I'm right here. You know I smell good. Sit with me, Clive. Sit on me. Number 1 and number 2. It's all good.
What the hell is going on? Howdy, Clivey, baby. How's tricks? Are you quite finished?
Who are you?
I'm you. But let's keep things simple. You can call me Winston.
But I'm me.
Well, I'm you and you're me. 2 parts of the same brain. You could call me your subconscious, your inner self, but Winston's a bit more personable, don't you think?
So we're the same person?
Oh, heavens no. You're boring. Ordinary. I'm fun, mischievous, and most of all, I'm terribly bored. I need some fun, some excitement. Which brings me to the reason I've shown myself to you. Let's change things up.
Change things up?
Yes, let's swap.
Swap?
Yes, let's swap. Let me out for a while. Let me take control. We can have some fun. Certainly got to be better than schlepping your life away watching rubbish TV and stuffing yourself with cheesy puffs.
Hey.
I want excitement. I want fun. And most of all, I need freedom.
Thanks for the offer, Winston, but I'm not sure that'd be a good idea for either of us.
I feel for you, Clivey, baby. I really do. But you seem to be under the assumption that you're in control here.
How are you doing this? Winston? What's wrong with you? I want out now.
Computer says no.
Let me wake up.
I'm the one who's in control here, you boring little man. This is my house, my church, my domain.
No, it's not.
Why are you running? You know you're in a dream, right? Wherever are you going to run to, you silly little man? Wait, you know what? You're right. This is still my head. These are still my dreams. I'm the one who's in control here, not you. Ooh, you're monologuing. How lovely. Shut your cake hole, Winston. But no! I may be boring. I may enjoy shoveling down cheesy puffs as I watch a Van Damme movie, but at least I'm not you. You're the crap I hide inside my mind because I'm embarrassed and ashamed of it. You're the worst part of me. I may be boring, but you're a dick. Ah!
realised the only person that had been holding me back had been myself. I'd never achieved anything in my life.
Then I realized it's because I'd been repressing my desires. My deep, dark desires to spread pain and suffering wherever I went. Once I embraced these, I would be a great success. I could be the most evil bastard that ever walked this earth. You can call me Winston.